Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues, social media platforms are doing their best to help businesses stay in touch with customers and keep them informed. We recently did a tutorial on updating your Facebook business page with any service changes, and I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. You may have noticed the new update. In your post section, you'll see at the bottom there is a COVID-19 update button, and if you click that, this window will open and it lets you know that you can use this feature to mark your post as a COVID-19 update. So you can let customer know if you have any service changes, if there's any changes to product availability, what safety practices you're employing. Anything that has to do with your business and COVID-19, you can mark as a COVID-19 update. And you should use this instead of a regular post because it gives you more visibility on Facebook and other platforms. So you just simply click mark as COVID-19, and that will pop up in your window. And we'll say sharing as a COVID-19 update. And then you click post as you normally do. Thanks, and I hope that helps with understanding how you can update your Facebook business page to keep your customers informed about your pandemic responses.